Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker's Showdown. Today, we're comparing two contenders. The Nugget Ice Maker, which produces the soft, chewable ice you love from restaurants, and the DUMOS Ice Maker, a compact and affordable option that delivers traditional bullet ice. We'll dive into their daily production capacities, ice types, and unique features to see which one stands out in the world of ice makers. Let's get started. The Nugget Ice Maker specializes in producing chewable sonic ice, which is perfect for cocktails and soft drinks, providing a unique texture that enhances the drinking experience. On the other hand, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is great for cooling beverages, but lacks the chewable quality that many ice enthusiasts prefer. If you prioritize ice quality, the Nugget Ice Maker is the clear winner. When it comes to daily production capacity, the Nugget Ice Maker shines with an impressive output of 35.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. In contrast, the DUMOS Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. If you need a high volume of ice, the Nugget Ice Maker is the better choice. Price is a significant factor in choosing an ice maker. The Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $209, reflecting its premium features and ice quality. Meanwhile, the DUMOS Ice Maker is priced at just $69, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. If affordability is your primary concern, the DUMOS Ice Maker offers excellent value for its price. In conclusion, the choice between the Nugget Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker ultimately depends on your ice preferences and budget. If you desire high-quality, chewable ice and a larger production capacity, the Nugget Ice Maker is worth the investment. However, if you're looking for an affordable and portable solution for everyday use, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.